This video I'm going to show you how to use bet bonus amount in Canada. It will be very easy to do. Come and click now on registration here, where you will select the inscription by email. Now you will enter all your information from here right up to the code of country. By clicking on it, you will select Canada normally, and by clicking on Canada, enter your phone number in the country and complete all that information right up to the promo code. You will enter POTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. By putting an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Now you will click on register when everything will be set normally. Now everything set, come on menu, where you will come and click on 1x games, and you will click on bonuses, where you will see all the bonus games like Lucky Wheel, which will help you to play the Lucky Wheel freely and by helping you to gain amount of money if you win. Now it will be the same way the quest of the day, all the bonus like that you can see here. Also the same goes with casino, where you will enter, for example, on promo. If I should choose this one, you will see all the promo games here and the categories to play freely, and everything set. Also, it will help you to gain a specific amount of money, which will be the same with all the other games in this category and like 1x games. And everything set. Now you will use that amount so as to bet in your matches and select all type of sports that you want, even sport normally.